Okay, so this one time I worked for an airplane fabricator not long after high school, and they hired this new guy that he just thought he could look at it, an end product and kind of figure it out on his own and put something together. And I mean, he ended up blowing some product and carbon fiber pieces, and it only cost the company probably a few thousand. What an idiot. It was me. So how can your business cut back on wasted material, wasted time, and maybe help out those new hires that are a little overeager to do a good job? Workstations. What is a workstation? Well, imagine the guy that used to train your people. He's like the old hand, he knows everything, but he doesn't necessarily have this like perfect process, and when people have questions, they have to go bug him again. But with the workstation, you have everything you need right there. So let's say you've got, multiple steps in a bill of material for a product that you create. At each workstation, you have the necessary tools for that step, so people don't have to go wander or bring them out from somewhere else, or then someone else is looking for that same tool. You have the tool at that station. You have everything you might need to assemble that tool, either at that station or nearby so you can grab it. Maybe even have color-coded steps for the station. Maybe they're numbered, a lot of options there. If you have a computer station nearby, you can quickly scan in so you can log hours, you can log labor, you can log that process and that work order. So that whole chain is recorded, and now you have all that data for when you need it. And it's also really cool if you have some kind of outline or pattern, just the schematic of what is being built right there in that station. So what would this do for your business? Well, first off, obviously, you're gonna have consistent data, and you're gonna have a consistent process in place. And what is that gonna do? That's gonna help you with any new hire that comes on, that you're not having to kind of rework what it is or not able to answer their questions properly, because maybe they approach it a little bit differently. But now if they have everything they need, they have the whole process, they have the workstation, maybe the computer set up, now they can easily see the workflow. If they have questions, they can reference the schematic. It's all right there. It saves you time, saves you less hassle in onboarding new hires, and you have a standardized process, which is awesome. But most of all, your product is going to be consistent, and that's what really matters, is that you have a quality control that is already built in because you have every step of the way managed, outlined, and accounted for. So fortunately, that company I worked for, they were good about things, and they kind of realized, I'd figure it out, and they kind of let me do my own thing. And a few months later, they ended up going out of business. I don't think it's related. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.